Well, if a devil send them, come tell them buck up and God. Devil send them, come tell them buck up and God. Devil send them, come tell them buck up and God. Them buck up and God, and with the rod in him hand. The Bible and the page turn pan Corinthian. And the Eden try and think me say them body a go mob. And the Eden try and think me say them body a go to come do. Them never hear about Genesis, and them never hear about Exodus, and them never hear about Leviticus. In Almighty Jaja, when we put for we chose, the devil come last and a Jaja come first. If a devil send them, come tell them buck up and God.
I am here vibing with a man who would have rubbed shoulders with some of the greatest DJs in the history of Jamaica's music. A man would have also held his own on some of the biggest sounds in the industry. His parents named him Richard Wright, but we know him as
Original Liquor Twitch, you know.
Talking Twitch.
Well, come on, teach me how long me try to reach you, brother.
Everything take time, man. Today are the day, man. Everything good, man. Is everything good, DJ?
Yeah, but most things naturally.
Most things.
We have life, and life are the greatest, though.
Amen,
yeah,
man. Amen. Amen.
Respect Joe, we call that respect Joe, Manners and courtesy, yeah, that carry you through, boy, yo. Respect Joe, we call that respect Joe, Manners and courtesy, yeah, that carry you through. No bother, bend up your face and talk about you a screw. Enough for your waist, you know, for chuck no two. Policeman who hold you and your eye black and blue. Just listen to teacher when me passing through. Me and enough of manners and me respect too. Respect Joe, we call that respect Joe, Manners and courtesy, yeah, that carry you through, boy, yo. Respect Joe, we cannot respect Joe,
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Talk to us though, early life, place of birth.
Place of birth, Kingston 11, Coburn Garden,
Cockburn Pen.
Yeah.
How many brothers and sisters?
Well, me have a call them out, Lady, Charles, Papi, Paul, Ricky. That's how much?
Five.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
No sister?
Yeah, two sisters.
Two sisters?
Melissa and Dana. Dana, you don't know, Dana step off.
Pass on.
Yeah.
My condolences.
Yeah.
The old man and
sweet sisters. Yeah.
the old man and old lady still around?
No.
Both of them Chadan?
Step off.
My condolences again, man. Yeah. Where the man attended school though?
Well, I go at school named lower school, DuPont Primary.
DuPont Primary.
Yeah, and after leaving DuPont Primary, I went to Haile Selassie.
Oh, Haile Selassie, yeah.
Yes.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
Cool. What was it like though, growing up back then in Cockburn Pen from a financial perspective?
Financial perspective, I don't know, as growing up in the ghetto, you know, say, we never have it like that easy, you know, I say, but it wasn't that so hard neither, because my grandfather had already set a little small foundation that we could have a little place to rest. But then we used to, you know, all the ghetto things, 1, 2 room and
right.
My little brother them used to share that little one government building, like
okay.
Yeah. So my grandfather and grandmother own that part there, and we the one that with my auntie and all of that, you know.
Yeah. What was it like though, as it relates to the violence growing up in Cockburn Pen though?
Well, it's like the Cockburn Pen was like a nice community itself, but like from 1976 come along them time, like the politics they start introduce itself from 1976.
Leading into 80.
So when it come to 79, 80, you know, it was a real violent struggle, you know. This was a terrible time. This all stumble along that time there, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, we soon pick up that, because we know that kind of play a role in the journey still.
Yeah.
Musically speaking though, at what age or stage you start become, you know what I mean?
Well, differently,
in love with the music.
Differently, you know, King, is like in music, first, my auntie tell me, say, when we was a youth, he used to have a barber shop. A little man, I'm say, a boner. So the music say, like, when the man have no money and them things, I could have whistle.
Okay.
So them carry I go down there and whistle around the big man, them a drink, and them give them a tip and something. And,
yeah.
Yeah, so them used to hustle for me, but that way there. But then now, through the energy of the late great teacher Uri. They like him, they a couple. Me they booby drive, they cling, and we know this. So me come to the road, so me look right over Uri yard.
Oh,
so
okay.
that's something that the music vibes, they always the round the part that through the teacher Uri was so close. So me always pay attention to Daddy Uri where I grew up. So, you know, and then for some reason I feel like I born for this. Because like it kind
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
So apart from Rurai, can you say Sturgav did just up the road up there, so who were the artists you were hearing on the radio or on the sound system when you say, yeah, you know, me like that something, yeah?
No, well, let me tell you the truth. You see, late great Nicodemus.
Demos.
Yeah. I have the man as one of the man where the timing in the music, the timing, yeah.
Timing.
Yeah, I get a lot of beating from my granny in the bathroom, just running the pipe, and I catch play by the king, I love is all I bring. And the water run, but me no on that pipe. Just to catch the timing, yeah, so he was one of the man, and then he have a virgin named Clint Eastwood.
Clint Eastwood, yeah.
Yeah, I used to love that virgin there.
Okay.
Birdies, and them thing there, you know. Yeah, but, you know, I go and listen them type of man there, but Nicodemus was the man for them time
Was
as
the
you.
biggest inspiration
Yeah,
of the
because the
music.
timing of the music, yeah.
So
Yeah.
growing up now around Sturgav, just up the road up there, so I guess eventually you started going over there.
No, I go over, you see you right now, what go, you right have a lady name.
No movie chair, man.
A lady
Just-
named Madge. So Miss Madge now is like, she have a daughter, Claudette, me and Claudette is cousin. So I was kind of close to the family that way.
Okay.
Yeah. So I grew up around you.
Basically family vibration settings, man.
Yeah, so the whole thing started from, that's why I tell you, is the whole, I just love
That's how
of the
things
music.
start, yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you started going around the zone.
Yeah, because the sound was a little sound, you know. It was a little bit, a little sound with Teddy Poor and them and Scratchy them and them and they used to play it, you know. And then now, here comes Rankin Joe. Rankin Joe and Just Crew come along and take to a different. So when now the man who introduced me, you know, like make me is Rankin Joe and Just Crew.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how you reach to Desado, where you go link one of the man them?
No, out go now with Joe now. That's why I tell you say I'm born for this, because everything will come in a prospect. You see it? Watch now. Rankin Joe have a nephew, have some family live across the road from my house. You get me? So me used to go and check Kenneth them over there and thing. And so one morning I wake up and I go over there, I say Rankin Joe have 2 eggs. You know, like he must strip them. But like DJ,
No one burn up your finger.
So I say, King, I can't do that. I want to introduce myself to him from a different level. So I say, King, I can't do that now. I can't strip the egg them for the eye, you know. So he said, wash off here and thing and wash off, man. And fix up myself and strip the egg for the king. And so meanwhile, the egg, and put a little sauce and thing. I tell the king, say, King, I love the music business and thing. You know. I said, well, you know, and then we come and thing and you know, good encouragement. And I so come now, when we got a Just Crew, that first man put upon one of them crate.
It's
So
small.
yeah, oh God Almighty. So Rankin Joe, Just Crew, my Mr. Just Crew put upon the D&G red stripe box, and so me could have come up to the sound.
Right.
Yeah. And this, so I really,
So Just Crew first man give a talkaphone.
yeah, you know that way there.
At the time though, apart from Rankin Joe and Just Crew, who else was there? Cause Charlie and Joe wasn't a reach yet.
Charlie and June, watch out, you see, my history, you see June Cockburn Pen, over my side, like over the side of me, the Cockburn Pen, I have a next side of Cockburn Pen, you know, where super cat them and early
be
So
them.
it was before the politics I show, it was one big, so you every man used to circle, so you have some sound like Crystal Blue, Flames, and some next to sound like, so all of we used to hang around them time there, you know what I say? So that's the little boy days them like, yeah.
I think there was a time now early out where you and Jim Kelly started linking.
All right, Jim Kelly come in the picture now when to Josie Whale them.
So that when Josie then come?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
because
okay.
Josie Whale and Jim Kelly and Charlie Chaplin them was friends.
Okay.
You get what I say? So Jim Kelly, me get to know Jim Kelly now that time. Jim Kelly do have good thing for me in the process of the thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
What Jim do?
All right. Jim, at the first man, they carry me go Kilimanjaro as a little youth.
Oh, you went to Jaro before you actually worked on Jaro?
Yeah, but as me I say now, cause as me say, 80s, so it come back to the 80s. The 80s was the whole destruction of the thing, you know. Because the 80s now, if you're there around the west, you have to claim west, and if you're there east, you have to claim east.
Right.
You get me? I say. So when Jim Kelly they really carry me go Jaro now, me they down the west, and him carry me go east. So yeah, so the late great John Wayne, I said then, oh yeah, carry man from west come at east for the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, so I sprint from the thing from east and night then run back to west.
How old were you at the time?
Them time I'm about 15, 16.
Oh, 15,
yeah.
16.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I never know so Jim Kelly carry you go Jaro early.
Early 5 Walton Park Avenue, man.
So, you know, and apart from Sturgav back in the days, were you going around any other sound?
Yes, so
As a little youth?
one only Papa Flames with a youth named Dr. Man Robin. Super Cat and them, whatever, because Dr. Man Robin was like, he was the top DJ.
Okay.
The Dr. Man, he was the top for the whole of Dr. Man Robin for the Earth, for the Super Cat, the we and every one of we. So Flames, I have Imperial with Early B Road and Cat them round the road. Crystal Blue again one next. So it was a little sound. Broke back in that. You see that the whole scenario broke back in it too. You get me? I say broke back in it. Yeah.
So now, I think eventually, leading up to election, you guys had to leave.
Oh, it go now. Election now. I have an election. So.
Hold on. Even before we reach a part there, what was the progress like around Sturgav for you them time there? You start
no, them time me used to warm up the dance.
Early warm.
But it's like, made it more like the politics busy where they come in, brother. It's a politics thing that it kind of distract everything that time there. So, me never get we used to go and dance and we and Papa Desi.
Papa Desi.
Federal language. And we used to be the warm-up man them. But that's when Josie Whale them come.
And Charlie them come.
Yeah. You see me, I say, so during the course of me growing up with the 80s now, one time he come and me have a little nephew, a cousin will drop in front of my gate, him kill him in front of my gate.
And the
then
politics time.
Yeah, and then me was the man like my family. I said, did I get in trouble? So my mother used to live at Westmoreland.
So they get involved in the thing?
Yeah, so my name called the thing, like me the thing too. But
okay.
as me show you, because we are youth of a different thing.
Yeah.
And my family, them used to, my granny and thing used to worry about that. So them tell my mother to come for me from Westmoreland. And them carry me go we are Westmoreland out right now, so me never get the rat. You get me? I say, yeah.
So they pray.
Yeah.
So let me ask you a question though, because somewhere in the thing, me know say Jim Kelly again brought it to African roots.
No, so,
that was before Westmoreland?
Well, I know. Jim Kelly, no. You see, when we come from Westmoreland.
And when you forward back from Westmoreland. All right, that's still where
yeah, because you come, I tell you exactly how I really want to leave Westmoreland. Then they have the red label where you used to live in the parish. The parish where every parish have an artist from there. You see me? I say, so when we do one place near Waterworks, some Rasta man carry me go Mannings. We lucky them. Mannings High School, I got enter there. The
red label reggae cable.
Yeah, me go there and me win it because me have one lyric there with me as a TV connection and me as a TV connection. Because when me was a youth, me used to watch Bonanza. Now me come a man and me no bother with that. Me a watch up a where it's Nicodemus, you know. Chocolate or starring or Wi-Fi bomb and Sam Makian in a West was one. Them bring in a cartoon, them call Top Cat. With Officer Dibble, him a star in a that. Some a fight, some a fright, some a tear down the place pan. Tuesday night I used to pay 10 place. And you know, see, I'm take the whole auditorium shell. Teach them. So
you take it.
Yeah, so them know. Them a come now and say them come for interview which part of Westmoreland I forward from. So when them say So which part of Westmoreland? I say,
Tony forward from.
so the man said, no. So them keep back on next round.
Okay.
Yeah, me now have no more lyrics. Them time, you know, one youth named Brenner Ranks, they have one lyrics name. I don't remember if enough people could have carried me, but when a big accident they go on out of Ferry Highway.
Okay.
Where the accident with the nurse and the one big nurse he die out there. So Brenner said, what a shock, what a wicked and dangerous act. 3 Jamaican died on spot. Sorry for the nurse in a Chris White frack and ting. So the man them said the next round now, them put on the taxi rhythm. Me now no more for say me take Brenner lyrics now, me no know the lyrics like that. Me only can talk that to the part the way me reach it and stop. So them say, oh, you know good I know. Them call out one named Shammy Man now. After me done make Shammy Man give him donkey length already.
In our first round.
In our first round. Them call out back this man Shammy Man now. Shammy Man don't do no more than company thing. Coconut man is balling out. And everywhere you can hear the people them have to give me the coke. And you know for them go say coconut water where the auditorium go say the murderer. That's something that really beat my bad them both me out right away, brother.
Yeah.
So me come on and tell me all this and me really want to go back to Kingston for this and mash up my music. And just couple months after that, I end up leave Westmoreland and come to Spanish Town.
Spain, all right. What is that Spain
Yeah.
though? So when you went, which year you got West though?
But in
About 79, 80 flat?
in them right then in them time because right into the politics I doing
Okay.
yeah.
So how long were you in West for?
Me there West for a year and a year and a brother.
Okay.
A year and peace, you know. We don't have that so clear now.
Yeah, man, I understand,
a little
man.
time there.
Yeah.
Because we come back before like 8 when we live, somewhere like 8 to 1.
Okay.
Them time them
So probably a year.
yeah, somewhere around that time. Yeah.
But what was the music scene like in Westmoreland back then though?
No, them time, you know, we go to Westmoreland now, the badness in me from Tugman now. Me just doing a Westmoreland this and me and say, why them take me from this big Kingston and carry me this bush when me hear PAP do all the whistle in my ears and them thing there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my little brother know, him you know some youth who have a little club, White Spot and Lucky them and some youth. So him always tell me say, brother, I want a little club up, say, go destroy it, you know. So I go by the club and we make me name by the club. So I start from there, so I sort of me kind of find back the music. It don't a country now till the natty them go carry me go down at the manager. From there, so it lead from there to the manager. You know. So once me go get back that groove there back now, the music, me want back, me hungry back now. So me come forward at town them time.
Right,
you know.
but I never really town, you know. You never Spain.
Yeah, cause them tell me say me I come to town this morning when me look me say this thing I stop at Spanish Town one place then come out. So me say wow, the nearer to Kingston team, you know, really the far.
Right.
Yeah.
So when you forward back at Spain side and now, how the music kind of come back into the life fully?
Music come back Spain Town now. When me land at Spain Town, me used to know a youth named Worm. My name used to go, all right, Carl, watch it now. You see politics. All right, watch all the time in our come back now.
Right.
You see politics, when me used to go to Selassie.
Right.
The politics make me have to leave Selassie school.
Oh, you never finished
No,
Selassie?
I never finished. So you see, didn't finish Selassie school. Just to the politics. I have to move, as I say, because I live out west, and then I used to have to move. So
right.
when me leave, so me go end up going to Tivoli Garden now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So, yeah, it's a long story.
Yeah, no, I become for his story, man.
Yeah, it's a long story, because me leave Selassie school and end up at Tivoli.
Yeah, which grade you leave, Selassie?
I leave Selassie when I go in at 10.
Oh, so, okay.
You get to me, I say I go in at 10 grade, I leave Selassie. Right?
Oh.
Because one of my brethren, him hear me a DJ upon Uri sound them as a little boy I warm up now and go to school, go tell him and him say me hear me a DJ for some set of man and rare. So when me go to school one Monday morning, me have a little brethren come to me and say, then Richie, you know, you can't stay on here. I say, me can't stay on here, my mother them go to school, the man say, some man runs so for kill you. For them say, yeah, DJ for such man, them up at one such part. And think I may escape from this at that time then. So I saw me end up back now. I have to go back at Tivoli Garden.
Oh, so you did grade 10 in Tivoli?
Yeah. But once me reach Tivoli Garden, my whole the whole school thing, the kind of
sure.
yeah, too much, yeah.
Jaja.
Yeah, so I meet a youth now at Tivoli named Worm.
Okay.
Yeah. So when me come a Spanish town now, Worm and the man now will carry me, go introduce me to the thing.
Okay.
What me I come to my lane now, because me dip and come artist, we have a little lane named McGregor Lane. So I have to go through McGregor Lane and come down McGregor Lane for go my yard. So one day I come, I Worm, I say, Worm, I walk on the face. I say, one big soul over the name Capricorn.
Capricorn son.
Yeah, so I say, all right. Him carry me go over there one day with Saraba. He introduced me to a youth named Nigga Charlie. So him say, Nigga, I'm on a wild. Nigga say, wild, I'm tired in the jungle, man, every day, man. Wild, man, why? Anyway, nigga, they just emphasize. So, he end up giving them like the same TV connection again when them right there. So, cause the TV connection bad, pan they never let you go with him. I mean, I tell you about the Nicodemus time, you know, I tell you, I come back, I no bother with that. I want to talk about with that. You understand?
Yes.
So it's anytime I talk from me talk that me and Nigga try to become friend now. And it don't know. So we are playing Capricorn. So one day, you know, we used to go up the lane, go check out a Rasta man named Diego Dread. See? And Diego Dread, them time me just a smoke a draw, I said no. So me a smoke a draw everything. Me left my mother them down there sometime. Me come me go up Diego Dread for what's a smoke I said. So I youth up and there scarf himself peanut. So remember George Will Baba Living and said, don't make the hole in the tea get you out. I don't even got the best peanut. So me just switch it and say, don't make the hole in your tea get you out. If you drink a red stripe or you drink a just out. You want a peanut to put in your mouth. Papa Scarf have the best peanut star. So Papa Scarf, the DJ at the backyard carry a smoke and a whole five.
Right.
So them say me I carry go by homestead now. With the Sunday night a Megaton. So we got a Megaton now, you see it? So when we reach to a Megaton, you know, them time they have a son named Papa Love.
Papa
He used to love the road where
Stitchy.
You see me I say. So that's it I go on now.
Then
So
you have creation on our next
with
side.
Mother G them and Mother G with son them.
We see settings, man.
Yeah. So once me reach Megaton now, when we go over Megaton, the same TV connection, they kind of work really good. But them time, you know, them time we have the flavor, you know, we could have, we could have do like the George way, we have a style them and the chart, you know, so we can ride the studio one, we can ride it, but me fit in this again now, so me becomes the Sunday night and me people come listen to Megaton now. So after that now me start invent lyrics and we invent one name, Beat the Fence. And, you know, when I beat the fence, party beat on the fence, and every Sunday night, so one Sunday me go down and the man and beat down Searchy fence, and the man fence flattened, so me go check him in the Monday and for a little change. Man said, DJ me like when you come here on a Sunday night, but you what happen? I want to reason about that lyrics and then beat on the fence, because every time you reason about that lyrics, then no king. I have to buy a new fence, no king.
Yeah.
So you have a virgin now named Jackman, the top man. See? So I go to Jackman and say, Jackman, then you know, so I can't sing back the lyrics there again about Beat the Fence, because Cersei said every time he sing that, to make him have a build up. So the man laugh and say, the DJ, you want it. So the next time you go by the door, sing Beat the Fence, sing Kick Down the Fence. So it start from there, so now and then now we used to all make a one pass through on creation, sometime a Hope Dale and them thing, creation, no Mother G, Papa San, O'Neill Famous, Flatty Ranking.
Our lecturer was in the
lecturer used to do over Portmore. Lecturer when I reached Michigan and Smiley used to pass through as the big man them time there. You know, Flatty Ranking, O'Neill Famous and things. So I used to pass through one then and thing and then we and because we never have no I just like the Megaton.
Right,
yeah,
Megaton.
So we used to circle. So till one time now we go.
Hold on, before you tell me one time when you go. And Megaton, was it while you were there you had Chronic?
No, you go no. Yeah. All right, so that's what I'm going to back. Ode, Father Ode. When I say, buck and a bite, hungry buck and a bite. Living in Jamaica is a serious thing. Two men a fight over one. We go back. who slacky tidy.
Slacky tidy.
Yeah, who the slacky tidy. Me go book Poison Chang, that are my youth, Stylo G, Woolman, seeing Yama Ranking, Yama Ranking. I don't want to forget them man. Who did they again? Stocky, no, Stocky, I don't know. Capricorn. Who did they again?
Chronicle wasn't there?
Chronicle, that are Chronic's father.
Right.
Yeah, them man they did it too. Yeah. For real. Chronicle did it too. Yeah, I'm a part of the story there too.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
the pre now. So you say you go somewhere now.
Yeah, so we go one place near Maine, down at Manchester now with Creation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, one time I'm go down there and do some singing and we do something and thing. But Michigan and Smile them was the man. So me never they get no money still, like no pay thing. And I like say, me was one of the man and thing and way on the thing. So, you know, me get some scallion and some bully pop, some old pop seasoning and thing, you know, and come up back, you know. Yeah. So we go to the late great Ivan, that I'm mother and say, Ivan, you know, so them they will pay me no money, you know. All right, you know, me they get for $20. Them tell the $20, you know, say, I really, yeah, 25 a man. So she I say, what do you mean you get up here? She said, no, sir. You know much week, me not go buy the scallion and all that and something for you get paid. I said, whoa, mommy. And said that, all right. But they still go on. So, one time now, well, Mother G, we go check Mother G with the same thing. Mother G point it out straight to me now and say, look here, I have O'Neill Famous, I have Flat Ranking, I have Papa San, I have Michigan and Smiley, and no really, I'm not running you.
But I can't pay.
Yeah. So that means it's automatically access to leave. Okay, boom. So cool. So I say, whoa, no son. Walking now, up upon the stone one day, buck up a bridge in the way, so they run Sturgap. So then grandfather used to play the crowd and anchor thing out of the gate.
Right.
And buck him. Well, I'm going to pick the boy. I say, boy, I'm in the day I walk on the stone and the boy, long you run up and town, you pick them. I said, that grandfather, I said, we have to left the eat this hand in the warm tea. But me there. He must say, no, say, one dance me and keep you with Kilimanjaro. I said, them father and I put me on the dance. Man say, you know, come fit together. I'll put you on the picnic, boy. And the man put me on the flyer skits in town. And I said, wow. When flyers come out and me look and me see my name. But guess what? I know Early B and Supercat from long time, the doctor, because the doctor is a man where doctor family, my love and my father, them and all of them used to go to school. Because the whole history, yeah. My story I like all 3.5 days, I have to tell you that. See, so I know the doctor, you see, and I know Cat, them telling you, Cataract. Yeah, see, boom, so I know the whole of them man there. All right, boom. When we go for the session now, the night now, you know me know the man then, but me never really could have Spanish the pace there, because the man run 21 fast pace, quick pace, and but them must boy long and come back to a walk, you know, so them boy long back now and before morning, you know, and them some studio one go start playing, you know, them say what them did there, you know. And them give me the mic and me did it. I'm bubbling on the bounty. Jesus boy, and go on my next snacks. So me say, a virgin come to me and say, the boss want to talk to me. So when this man came, me know, go look at me, go see me, say, after the first thing in my mind, I wish brown man this me, I seen a song big in a foreign, me I go, no. What time I never see me, remember if you see me, you know, me say, after look, in them time, I appear black Rasta man, and you don't, look, we never see them type of man there in a music that way there. You see, all right. And the man say, can't forget the man say, you, me love all your song, you know. I say, thank you, sir. The man say, where you live? I say, you know, I live in a Spanish town. And the man say, who you live with? I say, I live with my mother. I say, you go to school? I say, yes, sir. Man say, you sound good, you know, so. Me da really give you a little thing, but I couldn't make you work on a Friday or a Sunday. I couldn't make you do a Saturday night. So, go home, go ask your old lady and thing and What? Go home and tell Ivan, say Ivan, you know, say, Jara say, me go up at the Jara and them vote me in, my mother, and say, me can't come with wife. She say, hey, go for it then. Yeah, all right? So me start go dance.
Oh, okay, hold it there, sir. You said you were going to school. Which school were you going at that time?
Same old Tivoli
You went back to Tivoli?
No, do the course, you know, brother. Remember me I tell you something young then time.
Right. Me understand,
so
man.
when me left,
but me never know when you come back from West, you go back to school.
Yeah, then that me I tell you, me left. There's a school at Tivoli. Me go after me left school. After me left Selassie at Tivoli at the next school. You see me? I say,
so when you go West, you don't go school and at all?
Go with school, listen. Me not tell you, so we go down there, go down there, so go with my family, them down there. Cool off, they eat.
Me understand that, you know. But I think when them probably enroll in a school
no,
that side.
No, I don't get the time for no school over that side.
Oh, okay, so when you're forward back now, so you end up at Tivoli.
Yeah, because them time me about, when me back at town, them time, me I reach one, you know, about, when me reach back at town, me go in what? 11th grade.
11.
Yeah, you see me, I say, so when you look at that's what I tell you, so when I go to Tivoli, it just,
think kinda.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, we put it together, you know, you understand me, I say, kinda, in a one line, you see me? So now, you say, you start go Jaro now?
Yeah.
And when them time when you go Jaro, who are so apart from Cat and Doctor, who else was there? Burro was there at the time too?
Dirty Harry. Poddy Road.
Poddy.
You, Mado.
You. Jim Kelly.
No, it's a Kelly.
Yeah.
It's a Kelly. Kelly's a man where it's a do the time when me never I work no so in Carmen go one place down on one part.
African Road.
Yeah, you know.
Yorktown.
Yeah, Yorktown. Lionel Town. Yeah. Go left way. So it's when him carry go African Roads, him dead, you know.
So after him can't go route him Japan.
Yeah. So him left, it's like my story long, because what I say, it's a different story. Because we pay African roots about 2 years, me and Papa Desi down a country, within it's quite a long story.
That is the sound that Sikladine was playing on?
Yeah, so I know Sikladine now.
History class to the brother.
Yeah, all right.
So hold on, so you're there African roots about 2 years.
Yeah.
So when you come back now, you get the Jaro link.
When we forget from the first time, when Jim Kelly
came there.
And then after him carry me him couldn't fit we in there, so he got carry me.
African roads.
And then I'm dead couple months after, because we used to take boat stuff. I used to do Spanish Town, and I take the vehicle from Spanish Town to Lionel Town. So at them time, him dead now. So when him dead now, you know, me get the work now, the full work, Panjara now. Yeah.
So apart from you and Papa Desi, who else was on African Roads? Anybody with name? Okay.
Unless we walk up all Cocoa Tea them and some next singer man.
Cocoa Tea them up a years up there. So
over Rocky Pine, yeah. Yeah, but that's me get all my first youth.
Oh, nothing wrong.
Lionel Town. Yeah, that story is a long story, brother.
Yeah, but so you're forward back now. Town side, Spanish Town side, and you end up around a Jaro now, with some giants in the space, you know. How was it kind of getting your place and space around so many big names at the time?
All right, you see, like with Early B and Super Cat, we kind of know them, so it come like, you see, when you know something is like you don't scare that, like if you don't know it, because we kind of know, because Early B now, Early B is a man where him have me like a little son. So when we reach there, and as I said, me ride the studio one, and I get the work done, they used to carry me go some Saturday night dance or some country and something.
So, they're not like your town yet?
No, so when me do know, I work on some master some rhythm, because I start make lyrics down like Aloe Vera and some.
Aloe Vera.
Yeah, Aloe Vera come to the Aloe Vera. Sing about. So I start make some tune now, and so I sat there and them have a darker shade of black. When we say whole time something come back again, one time Jaro boom tum 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 tum. But to me tell you, so me can't ride the rhythm with super. Da, na, 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 da, na, na, na. So the most time in play a lot of the kind of rhythm goes tung 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 tung. What you have a part goes tung tung. Tung, 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 tung. So you know I hear that one. They say, when you hear that when a part, you know, it have 8 bar where it does play low. So if you not listen, when it come up back, you're gonna drop off. So when the teacher say no, they are not to be. I'm say, we wiggling and they jiggling today. You old Papa Twitch. No work on Bamba Jimmy, no work on Bamba Twitch. 7 times, Java 7 times. So some more rich as I am with them. So it's when they say 7 times coming and rhythm, so kum. Me land right back on the rhythm upon not to be. And some natty said, some man, who lift me fast? I wish look a boy this. So from this, I'm get my confidence. I'm do some, me have some tune where killer sound, and something on my work pan. So Ainsley I penetrate with them time because me I learn.
Right.
Yeah. See, but I pay a country, me.
Be a country. Watch out. The name on the birth certificate is Richard Wright. Look at Twitch. How you come by the name?
And you near Rome. And you near Rome anyway, like big up yourself. Because him claim say no, when me a little boy, watch what him say, make him call me Twitch now. Him say me put 6 Aki, I must 7 Aki in a ring. And I try feast, now the Aki them down there, and me a Twitch, and me a shake. So him say me name Twitch. Me don't know how him come in that room. I saw them say him name me Twitch. Yeah,
So just look at Twitch.
But him come like him didn't want to put on the S, but he
Oh,
up with the
Twitch
T.
is-
Because
okay.
he say me build the ring around the thing and I pass pieces in there. Must say that. Anyway, him give me the name that some mystical way.
Yeah.
Yeah, that you there. Yeah, cause my next brother used to call me Black Knight.
Black Knight?
Yeah.
So that was your first name of sorts?
That's the first nickname, like.
Okay, Black Knight.
But Twitch, from me go with Twitch from a little bit up from. Cause Black Knight never stick.
Right.
Yeah, but no one them ever bridging in law like men of youth they used to make a whole heap of blessed Larry. Many used to make they used to carry me go follow trail steel and with trail steel and every night go anywhere we want go. So so him mostly call me Night now, but the name Twitch Romy. Yeah.
So Jaro now, be a country dance. When that change?
Alright, here that all change now. Skateland. No. First town dance me come. Sorry.
Maxfield Avenue.
Volcano versus
Jaro.
Kilimanjaro. No. So watch I know. Remember I say Josie Whale and Charlie Chaplin. I idol them tied there. See?
Right.
Them a play Volcano. The first me I come and told me I go play Jaro against Josie and Charlie Chaplin. No, it couldn't work. That night they kind of didn't know.
Nervous.
Yeah, because I don't know if you do. See, so that night there wasn't a very wonderful tone appearance. It didn't work for me good because I danced Chaplin and Josie and Cat had do some whole part. Tasley did go out of that dance.
Okay.
Rare. So all that them time when them thing they go and yeah. So me never get no good joy out of dance there.
Okay.
Yeah. So the next time I will come at town, I will come at Skateland. See, I will come at Skateland. I suppose to Metro Media.
Black Zodiac.
Black Zodiac.
1984.
All right. So this now, you know, it's a 90. Everything I tell you about now, you know, I've struggled and I try and make it happen them time there, you know. 1984 now. Skateland. Them time I still there Spanish town.
Oh, okay.
We used to go by Homestead, because you don't know it's a wheel like Homestead DJ. We used to have the tail and shop man, them used to make the pants them way. And put the pleat them and thing and shirt in pants and I got tail and I look real clean and I put down my bow tie. I fix up myself.
You ready for them?
Yeah, but watch I know, them time I take a bus named Beverly's. We no star, we no know about star.
Right.
Jump on this Beverly's here now. For me so clean and nice. If you just come off down a Southwood and Avenue down there, so, and just take my time walk.
Going to Skateland.
And them the night then them a collect from out of the front part of Skateland, out up on the road there, so. Me come off of this big bus cross the road in front and I'm suit and look. So. Wow. But me never penetrate. I don't me I thought that through this. Reach at the gate now. Can't forget. First me was a Gilly Priest.
Gilly was at the gate.
Yeah, first me was a Gilly Priest now. So me, you know, as a little youth now, me come there. Gilly Priest ever know me. I just one youth they know me, one youth named Gidjum. See, so Gidjum be out there too. Gilly Priest, yo, I said, wow, okay. I said, which one? Coach Vice, man, this one. I said, both follow get to the I said, and like, I put the dog in and some whelp or something. So I said, no, sir, DJ upon this. So the youth there, Gidjum now, and stand up and I look over the wall. So Gidjum see me and said, no, man. And him let me in. So I come through there now. I say, wow, a Gilly Priest that for me. I hear about this bad Gilly Priest. I'm nervous, man. And I said, wow. So I reach there. Then I dance and I stand up in the music I play. So Dirty Harry, he come to me and say, Prentice, you have to go start the round, you know. I say, Harry, I started from yesterday, you know. I first me I come in a skate lad come sing it. I mean you see a liquor John, the man they sing out that. I mean them in a liquor too. I'm supposed to go in there, you know. We can't reach it for John a bigger star for a long time then yeah. John the man sing Old Patrol. Anyway. But then I'm stand up and I say, early be come now. The doctor come and I'm doctor something, you know, brother.
Okay.
Thing na ears and all them doctor in the operating theatre. Rather than all them something there. So the doctor come and the doctor say, Daddy you right student, Daddy you right student, call me. Daddy you right student. You know, say I don't sure if Cat going to come back tonight, you know, because I like him have some plane issue and something like that, you know. So we're not going to use it in the first round, you know. I'm going, you know, secondly after the second round. So wow, doctor promote me. Alright, because Harry does tell me one thing. Anyway, stand up to the doctor and doctor say, oh, you feeling nervous? And I said, no, doctor. And doctor give me a Heineken. And drink the Heineken and stand upside down. Nervous in the teach them. Boop. I never know, say Ainsley, bless up Ainsley. I never know, say Ainsley that study me. I know the rhythm them So you see, when my time come, you know, the first two the man put on so, boy, and Kilimanjaro, boy, and killer sound, Jaro must killer sound. Them time they want to look at Maga man, I want big old voice. So some people don't know which way they look at man I come from. Much of us out of Jaro wounded us out. And we and thing and the man, him good him go on and him put on answer. See, I'm gonna draw. I love it, I come drink the yard, I love it, I sing about it. I'm here. The Ranger squad, them give me gun salute, no, legal, no, me turn it out. Oh, I said dirty and right, me turn it out now. Me I listen back the 1984, me I listen, so when me I listen it, me I feel the feelings, how me feel the night there. When me get Harry the mic, when me go hear this up there, me can definitely hear me say all one of the words. Different women up. See? So from that now, this or now, Mr. Harper say, yeah? Yeah, you can't work every night now. Yeah, so I suck up now, you know, I start work every night now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What were you being paid at that time?
40 cents. When I say 40 cents, I mean $40.
$40?
Yeah.
Okay.
$40 a night. Yeah. So
Before we pick up, one question. Were you on Small Axe any at all?
Yeah, man. Small Axe. You see, I want only fight to Small Axe. Same Spanish town.
Right.
I want, watch out. Small Axe, I go with Multi-Blind, late great Junior Frost.
Mm-hmm.
Son them used to pass through the when name? The singer want well I used to buck up Martin Street in a Spanish town.
Oh,
Small Axe come from England. Yeah, car. Then time Small Axe drop in from England, boop, son and Keithiax coming and way. So we used to get up at Keithiax too.
Okay.
But I get opportunity of a small axe, because small axe we got England. We got England with small axe.
That was the first time you fly out?
Yeah, we go with Keithiax, and we go with the youth named Multiblind and Junior Frost. And Junior Frost, from that time, Junior Frost he got England and did forward.
Oh, he never returned?
No.
Oh.
Remember that day? Yeah, so me, Multiplied, and Junior Frost did go.
But never know say you fly out before your gyro days, man.
No, with where name
With
there?
Small Axe.
With Small Axe.
I know Small Axe in the journey.
Yeah,
I
man,
just never know where.
Because I want to put him dead at the journey. Keithiax, because I remember him carry go to London.
Okay, cool,
Yeah,
man. Cool, man. So now, Gyro now, so your first big dance was Skateland, Metro Media, Black Zodiac, 1984. Yeah? Which other dance, Gyro dance after that were stick out in your mind?
Alright, a whole heap of dance. Alright. Maybe that be our dance of England.
Okay.
Yeah. You know,
Which year you go England with Gyro?
Supposed to 85, 84,
85.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Who and you did up on the trip? The whole of them on them?
I think the Cat Never Did.
Cat Never Did.
Early B. You know, Early B. First, Early B, they did it. Poddy Roots, Dirty Harry, and me, they did it.
Okay. We never face off with none of the big sound them over there at the time. Saxon, Coxon, Erratic. Nobody?
We used to play. We used
No,
to use them and play.
Play, okay.
Yeah,
So never carry the physical sound, I just the artist
No,
them.
carry artists on the record.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But we never clash on the big sound them over there at the time.
But I teach them, you can't
You remember?
Only for them, so we could have we supposed to clash. Them play, in them days, I check say them sound is, yeah man, we could have play against them. Yeah man, it's out there, yeah.
Eventually, you know, the gyro thing kind of started change because when Sturmars came about, a lot of the artists moved over to Sturmars.
Yeah.
You weren't one of them.
No.
So Cat, Burrow, Early B, and some other man.
Ainsley.
Yeah, Papa Ainsley, because Ainsley did go with Danny Dread to play the song. Yeah?
Yeah.
So eventually now, you move over from Gyro to Jamiz.
Yeah, so we come to the yard, you know.
Okay, right. So all it listen now. I don't know much about it, but I've heard about it. There was an incident on Gyro where you were stabbed.
Yeah, all right. That is like when you see life, but it's like that time when Gyro, you have a next generation where they really want
Come true.
Come true pan Gyro, you know, like the Ninja man, they know, you know. You see me? I say, so what happened that time?
And
now?
Junior Cat was there at the time too?
Yeah, Dax was there. Dax want come through them time.
Okay.
Iron Man, them because them youth they do want come through now. So when Cat them and them youth and Burrow them make the transaction, it's only kind of go down a bit like I mean, Doctor they only did that. So when Jeremy Lee they come in now.
Jeremy Lee.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Jeremy Lee travel with them set up them youth, you know, like Dax and them man then Jeremy Lee they through the Imperial thing.
Right.
So Imperial thing.
Oh.
So like Early B birthday now. Early B they have a birthday in a Bamboland. So Early B birthday. So me go to the party and me go to dance early and when me go to like the same old east and west something now because me got different what I said. So some man they want to push me out that time, you know, because if certain man gone over time now you run, so them I saw it going, so yeah. But anyway, me did it. And first me up there and argument go on, it don't get away and me say me not stay.
Okay.
So I leave. When I leave, same time I leave, I buck up on Early B. I drive and I can start it and I say, Lawyer, where I go? I say, Doc, you know, say, man, I go on, so look me up there, you know, brother, like some politics business, I did it up there, you know, brother. I said, no, man, we are talking about, man, we come back up and the doctor call me and we go back up with the doctor and And so come me a Ninja Man.
So Ninja
Them
Man,
time him name Ugly Man
Ugly
or
Man.
some ugly or some man in him name. No disrespect the
Double
king.
Ugly.
No disrespect Ninja, cause you know how it go. Like, so some tussling go on, them time there and me and him and thing and it's like me they have some mother bit.
Argument.
Yeah. So me remember me they have like a any king battle, so me they kinda
Fling it off
yeah,
time.
cause some little thing I made a something.
So hard. So that's where him get that from.
Yeah, cause me they lick him in my buckle. Remember Ninja, if I'm wrong, correct me, but I saw me remember it.
Right.
See? So it's like wrestling and go on. I remember Gargan, I remember like it drop. And then you get up and you start run. So we are running down now, and we are running the Gargan now. We feel my belly start hurt me, but come like say, do the type of the rustling and the
Right.
wrestling I go and
You don't
teach you.
feel when you get it.
Me don't know when me get the stab. But like an ice pick, me get an ice pick stab. And I run him down, my feel belly cramp up. But like a youth name, Compton stop and said, DJ stop. And put and
Blood up.
yeah, and put me on that. No, I didn't even know whole for blood because the ice pick pull me. But Compton I didn't see when me get the pole or something, but me a ball and him stop me running. So him carry me on the light and look and see. Yeah, my youth name Power Star rush me go up my singer name Power Star carry me go up half a tree up at the Medical Associate and
Oh, Medical Associate. Where was the dance?
Bambulan.
Bamboo. Okay. So that was one of the things to kind of help the movements from Jara to Jammys.
Yeah, cause after that no, me never, cause, you know. So and then me did no, and then when me did it, and me say it really, and here come Bravo now.
That a Jammys.
Yeah.
He was an engineer at the time. Who
No.
he was doing the auditions.
Yeah,
Okay.
Bravo was the man where you know Bravo recommend you and this will recommend you everything.
Yeah.
See, so Bravo forward and make I know say the king interested now in some type of way and thing now, so and I come check the king and
So the king, so Jammys sent for you.
yeah. So cause Bravo come check her and say where and I come link the king. But when I found it, so it's the next mistake again, cause I come back Admiral Bailey.
And you know Bailey from Cockburn.
We Admiral Bailey, you know, you see me I say Admiral Bailey become the top.
Artist around here.
Yeah. Cause watch it go. Stick up in. When I work Jaro, Admiral no come out on the road fully yet. You know, Admiral I work at the so named Torpedo.
St. Mary.
Yeah. So when I go to Admiral and I say, King, remember I got Admiral Jaro, me I play now, I'm taking. Come and get a big sound. So me, why me I tell him that I DJ, I say, yeah. So the next time I realize I DJ upon this King Jam is a big superpower, because me they a Torpedo. Yeah, lick them with the D&G and the lyrics in the D&G and some whole pass something. Big up yourself, Admiral.
Yeah. Before we take on the Jammys part of the journey, yes, you had recorded already. I think by then time they recorded All Rounder for Paul Kelly
and
Aloe Vera for Jat Thomas.
Same ranking Joe. Cousin that.
Oh,
Paul Kelly.
okay.
All Rounder. Yeah, first song that
you recorded.
First all rounder. Say me a all rounder. Yes, Papa teacher, you are big. And Joe Lick shot and you get your passport and you get your...
Joe Lick shot in there?
Yeah. First song that for Joe.
And then I think they did Aloe Vera for Jat Thomas.
For Jat Thomas. Yeah.
So those were the first two. Those were the only recordings you had before you came to Jammys.
We never have no more records.
You never have no more
dance,
Rubber dub.
Rubber dub dance. Once you say dance, and that was our thing.
Yeah. So when you reach Jari now, as we said, we talk about Bailey. Chaka Demus was here at the time as well.
Yeah, when we come, all of the man them.
All of the man them there.
Yeah, man. All man is there, both. Pompidou, Toloti, no man never pass and every man is there.
Major Worries.
Yeah, parent. Barring
Par that. What was Major like though? Because, you know, when I get a lot of Major worries, he's not here to tell his story. You understand what I say? And he died fairly young too. So your recollection of Major worries, like what some of the memories you have of it?
Every 5 seconds we make a lyrics.
Yeah. That man, some of the man narrate as baddest thing ever heard, bro.
Yeah. Every 5 seconds we have to make a lyrics. And he's a man where him eat and him sleep and him drink and him always a try make some different type of sound. Yeah, but do me, yeah. And them thing, he's a man where me have them remember me and him a walk up and down, because sometimes we used to go over the bridge over Thompson and we and him used to, but I just play music. Play music. And him have a joyful vibe and him is humble to him, humble to, you know. Yeah. Cold bumper take me and talk about
when
him.
I general, I mean, I think
Yeah,
it's a pity say
yeah,
he
man.
passed so early, you know?
Yeah, because a whole heap of general are we, you know, brother, but him was one of the youth where, you know what I say? Yeah.
Side. So, King Jammy, high power, the superpower, big sound, big stable. What was it like though when Showtime come? Because there were million world-class artists.
No, but them time, you know, me a right, them time, me a big rider, because me catch a pace them time, you know. Me catch pace them time, you know, me catch Jaro pace.
Seasoning, I think.
Yeah, Jaro pace, the one hot pace, brother, man. Once you go sit on that Jaro pace, brother, you can't see, you start sit down now, you see me I say? Yeah. So when me come here now, and then I'm going to come and go see Admiral, so it even make it more, you know, scare. You know, I say some of my partner, yeah, right. Next bridging here again. You know what I say? Where we grow together. You know what I say? So it wasn't so hard when we come here. You know what I say? And then come 15 as I come.
I think whilst you were at Jammy's, you recorded Free Paper Bun for Inspector Willie.
God bless him.
What you laugh at is that?
I'm a boss.
Yeah.
Yeah, never mind, I'm a boss. Yeah, man, holiday done, Free Paper.
So that was his third song?
Yeah.
Third recorded song?
Yeah.
Then there was a few friendly toss-up rivalry for a while with the great Tyrone Thompson, Papa San.
Oh, my word.
And that was in your Jammy's days or your Spanish Town days, your Capricorn,
no, it's a Tyrone. It's a Tyrone still. Tyrone, we and Tyrone are from Spanish Town days. Tyrone, you know, we and Tyrone. Tyrone Thompson, dangerous man.
Dangerous.
Yeah, don't play with Tyrone. He's the next man that yeah. Tyrone Thompson, man, can't take that from Tyrone Thompson. From where I lick a youth. For Tyrone Thompson is a man where, alright, Tyrone, so when we there, a Spanish Town, Tyrone, I got St. Thomas to go play Leeds and everything, and I had to come back and tell me, say, oh, we mash up the man, we have a Tyrone, but Tyrone, I do it. yeah, man, Tyrone, man. Yeah, man.
Jaro, wanna go England alone, you go with Jaro?
No, I go, well, first time I go America, Jaro.
So America as well?
Yeah.
Where else you went with Jaro outside of Jamaica? Other than England and US? You go Canada anytime at all, them time with Jaro?
No, I remember that.
You don't remember?
But Jammy's.
Jammy's, okay. But you also went to England with Jammy's?
Yeah.
Who are the man them who did up on that trip there? The whole of the man them?
Admiral Bailey, Liquid Twitch, lecturer.
Then time the lecturer over here?
The two singer, Malvo and Roach. Yeah. The late great Turbo Man, Risco Benji. Yeah, the great man. Yeah, great man that. Yeah, Risco Benji was there. Yeah. Cause when time, him had the badass, you know. When him come out, So him was there. Yeah.
Good experience that again.
Yeah, bless his soul again. Yeah, the next youth that again where him was our next great youth, you know. Yeah.
Pity how, you know, everything work out.
Yeah.
Which year you wanna go England with Jammy's, remember? I know some time the year that we loaded still, but it was about 87.
Because we're supposed to, the first song we write to Jammy's, I go like 86, 87.
Spanish Fly?
Supposed to, first 87, I want him tiny. But I know say 86, 86, 87, one of them tiny.
And so the record, so you became established now as a general in the rubber dub space.
In the dance.
Yeah. This is when now, even though you had recorded already, you recorded 3 songs by now.
Yeah.
You never get your first big song until Spanish Fly.
Yeah.
Talk to me about the creation of that song.
The creation of that song is like them time the man used to like
Spanish Fly girl. them.
Yeah, want easy man nah no reasoning and then something and then so them want something to pull the girl them like fast. So it's like we never do that, but we are hear about it, so we put one and one together and so come the lyrics that come first.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah.
So for the lyrics so come the lyrics that come cross. The Spanish Fly thing, and when we go do it today, you know, it's like I was here and one girl used to work with Jamis. And we don't want somebody for their intro, you know.
Okay. Oh, so she a talk to?
And she
Buy me a drink.
And she said, Lord, twitch me Thursday, making something to drink, no? Yeah, and I suck her. Yeah.
That song though kind of got a little bit of press in terms of both sides. Some people never too like.
No, some people never too like it, and then that's why the intro becomes such an important thing in that song, because it's like more I want that time then because the girl, that's why when the girl said, Lord, teach me thirsty, because something for drink now.
So as a father
I say, well, lady, take my fatherly advice, do not be drinky. But then in some way, two me go say about the send for Spanish Fly for girl licky. Yeah. But then most of the ladies, them will give me credit, and some of the man say me let the seat close like bag, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
There are a couple bars out of tune.
Lord, teach me thirsty, because something to drink now. Well, lady, take my fatherly advice, do not be drinky. Hey, come now. I want you to send for Spanish Fly for girl when licky. Send for Spanish Fly for girl when drinky. Send for Spanish Fly for girl when licky. Send for Spanish Fly for girl when drinky. Come now. No licky. No beggy. No nyami. No drinky. Me know this little girl and where them call Beverly. Well, she no love no man, you want to buy a brandy. And she no love no man, you want to buy a brandy. The first time she take a liquor from Rupee, him just in pocket for him virgin cherry. And drop it in the liquor, make she drink it, you see. And as I saw she drink it, man, she feel on it. She just rub long him back, long him belly.
Who took the voice?
Bobby.
Digital.
Yeah, the great late
I
Bobby.
think that is on Everless.
Yeah. Yeah.
First hit song.
Yeah. When we do Spanish Fly, it's a different thing, you know. Like you have some song where you say, no, it's the people used to wait there. That was one of the songs where people used to
play that dance.
And the people sit down and wait for it to play. Yeah, that one day.
I think the follow-up song was Respect You.
Or the Devil Said It.
The Devil Said It Come.
All right, but I suppose the Devil Said It Come. Yeah, the Devil Said It Come and the follow-up.
I think that
The
is on
Respect
there.
Joe, the Amadan. Because that is in those days now, it's like me, Pinchers, they on the Everless, me they on the Everless, Pinchers, they on the Amadan. You know, Amadan, I'm coming, doom. So the Devil Said It Come rhythm that. So me and Pinchers, they on the same style rhythm every time. Even the Bandolier rhythm, me have Joe Blanc card on that also.
So, you say Devil Said It Come.
Mm-hmm.
What was the inspiration behind that?
Inspiration behind that, no. It's like, my grandmother gave me a whole lot of inspiration with most of them, like Devil Said It Come and Respect You. In which me hear like she and some people talk and she say, Devil Said It Come on, from our youth. And then now, meanwhile, when we come now and we find out all the music situate and how much thing you have to go through and corrupt the music.
Yeah.
And yeah. So me is a count like me I say I go through. So me I say Devil Said It Come and buck up on God. I so come, you know. And remember when my granny I say, cause them time when I go through some liquor.
Some liquor things.
Yeah. Some liquor, you know.
You know one thing I come to remind the sound man about tune them and promote them. Be a couple bars out there song the word.
Yeah. I come and say, well, if a devil send them, come tell them buck up and guide. I say, bad minded sector, man, mind what you doing, even work a mind what you saying. Well, if a devil send them, come tell them buck up and guard. Devil send them, come tell them buck up and guard. Devil send them, come tell them buck up and guard. Them buck up and guard, and with the rod in him hand, the Bible and the page turn pan Corinthian. And the Eden try and think me say them body a go mob. And the Eden try and think me say them body a go to come no. Them never hear about Genesis, and them never hear about Exodus, and them never hear about Leviticus. In Almighty Jaja, when we put for we trust, the devil come last and a Jaja come first. If a devil send them, come tell them buck up and guide. You know,
Big tune, brother. Big tune. Big tune.
And they know it's like doing it. We was not aware of how powerful it was, because as I say, to me, not because of me sing it, me not really see like, me not, in a them time, there wasn't a song that was so powerful as this one come out and DJ mouth them time there. You get what I say? Cause if it notice, me never hear no DJ that say them kind of...
Sometimes they have badness thing there now, DJ.
Yeah. So when we come out to the devil say they come, it's like a different thing that me say. And if you notice, even now, it...
Relevant.
Yeah.
Bobby took the voice again?
Bobby.
And I think Bobby was the one who recorded
Respect You. Well, that no more, and give you a history about
Give me
that
the
now.
history, man.
That are the history tune now, mystery tune this now. Saturday morning, like this. Wake up. Oh, go Pile King, you know. I want to talk over the king. But them time, you see the yard stay, you know, a different
settings.
Foreign you come here, say, one little place around there, so we have to go in one corner around there. So, you see, the body set a tune them, brother. I want to look, King can't tell you, one little studio around there, so where we do the dub them, you know. And we do the 45, and that's the whole of the big record, and the share, where they this, that, everything, you know, around there, so them there, you know. So, the morning I come, and I say, we can't find, so I go in there, and Bobby, I say, yeah, that really man, really my bad, and I say, Bobby.
Cough.
Yeah, Bobby, I said, Bobby, no come to sing, but no, like King, I come to sing. Like, Dad, I want to talk to you, King, you know. Bobby said, go try the rhythm, man. So me go, me just we wake to the morning to have a waking scene. So I'm going, and Bobby said, go try the rhythm. I'm going. All right, Bobby. Then I try you, know, respect, you know, Bobby. Respect you, we call that respect you, Man, I sleep, I sing this song, you know. Another uncle, this is your dad, carry you to. And the man said, I'm ball out to hear the song. I sang that. Yeah. It's almost say, if it is them, and them sleeping, the mother uncle, this is your dad, carry you to. But Bobby, I say, I eat that. So once him say that, we just coffee it. Yeah, so it come.
Give me one nice little piece of song, man.
How is it? Respect Joe, we cannot respect Joe, Manners and courtesy, and that carry you through, yo. Respect Joe, we cannot respect Joe, Manners and courtesy, and that carry you through. No bother, bend up your face and talk about you a screw. Enough for your waist, you know for chuck no two. Policeman who hold you and your eye black and blue. Just listen Papa teacher when me passing through. Me and enough for manners and me respect too. Respect Joe, we cannot respect Joe, Manners and courtesy, and that carry you through, yo. Respect Joe, we cannot respect Joe, Manners and courtesy, and that carry you through. Them say, oh, the and thank you, we don't broke no square. Anyway, me go, me manners always there. Stand up na the middle of Farfetch Square. Right down on me foot, me have some ice cold beer. Me make a down the tracks and me go check Brother Blair. Well, enough for me yet, me never carry no fear. Clarendon me there, me say we round a veer. And little laugh at that around a Sam Sharp square here. Respect.
Yeah, man, bread control. Different, brother. You know, me hear Sean Paul, some point in time, I don't remember the interview that he was doing, said that song is probably the song that has influenced him the most in taking on dancehall music.
Respect you.
Respect you.
Thank you, Sean Paul. All right, you see, in my, this is my opinion. See, Shaggy, yeah, when me Mr. Lover, boom, that sound.
Sound familiar.
Yeah, to me. Bless up yourself, Mr. Burrell. That, yeah, but me give thanks for what Sean Paul said. Because I guess, in those times when we were doing our thing, you know, that we don't do it like love, you know, one way you name card for marketplace,
Yeah,
but
man.
you know, we have the love of the thing. That's why the youth say do it for the love. You know. When they do it for the love, I know do it for like you get the
Yeah.
best out of it, you know. Because we do it hungry. And then one go down here.
See, Prem.
Yeah, but
He mentioned a couple of the songs, but that song was one of the songs where I'm saying, you know, very important to him.
give thanks, brother. Me love for you.
So the power of good music, you know.
Yeah,
can
man, me
never
give
die.
thanks, brother. Me give thanks.
Talking Twitch, when Smile Rhythm. It's another song that did well back in the days.
No, you know what now? That our next transaction again, no. I want to start trail, you know.
On a jamming tune now.
No, I start trail, you know. At them time, you know, me go find Rastafari, you know.
Oh, side.
Yeah, I see the devil say come. And when we go and start trail, like this, so me go fulfill the word there.
Okay.
When we utter them time, they can word so na power in it or lead you back to a place sometime, someday. Once you say it out of your mouth, you know, because it's the power. So it drive me back to Star Trail. So when we go Star Trail, me do anyway talking to a chimpanzee, anyway talking to a chimpanzee, anyway talking to a chimpanzee, could the people them ask? The people them a cry out for talking twitchy. DJ used to ram dance all and party. DJ from the Sturgeon and Jaro party, they want to hear about me. And them a ask me, talking twitchy, they, oh yeah. You like how you fit in a reggae, them a, it's like, ba, da, 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 da. Yeah. That's how when we go, Star Trail.
Star Trail.
Yeah.
After Fire was another song that did well.
After
back in
Fire,
the days.
Jammy song.
Jammy's
That
tune.
was, that song now, it don't play out here, but that one of my biggest
Overseas song?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah?
I remember I say, Atam Fire, we them to the people in South Africa, Cause if you don't free them, they can set the whole place on fire. Yeah. Jah no want no M16, neither no Bushmaster, ta. Anytime you ready, lightning, brimstone, thunder, and fire. Mr. Don't got me. Yeah.
Big tune.
Yeah. That was one of the big where it go. You know what I say? Yeah.
We're going to pick up on some more tune later down. But you spend some time around Downbeat?
Sound system.
Yes.
No, I can't remember at America this now. You know, we got America Downbeat at the big bad sound.
So why you leave here?
Huh?
Why you leave here?
Why me leave yard?
Yeah.
Me never leave yard.
Oh, you never leave yard?
We just take a little break.
Okay.
In a them time eh?
Because you were on Downbeat for about 2 years.
No, we never really depend
Oh,
on
you weren't signed to the sound?
No, I'm not signed to the sound.
Oh.
Don't beat when they go.
Where they up on the ground, so you do some
and a
work?
rubber dub sound, yes, yeah. So like don't beat was a sound like the sound where you go America, the DJ upon and so enough man shining.
Pass through.
Louis Rankin, you see Mr. Axe the way the belly,
Yeah, man, I know Louis
and then Monday, Santa Rankin and some more man. So when you come from Jamaica and you go do a dance, I normally use Downbeat.
I thought you were a resident DJ on Downbeat, man.
No, because when I tell you, me and Rexton God now, they did America for about a year and a half. So we used to, most of the time we used to play up on Downbeat sound to and way there. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, so you see, I learn it, you know, because we don't know all things, you know, brother. You understand?
Yeah, I'm there to tell you, man.
Yeah, well, so you know, I think you recorded for Gussie Clark one at the time. What your friend them?
No, that
I know Gussie Clark too now.
Steely and Clevey.
Oh, so why me sis? I see Mrs. Maddy right. You say a Gussie Clark too, or something I know.
You see, it's a whole heap of thing, no, brother, with the music. Because I say we never used to do music business. We just used to do music, you know, brother. And our thing, they get chaka. Because I see my song, and I see Lieutenant Stitch sing my song, and all them things, the various sides, and I see my name from Stitch's song and Stitch name from my song. So,
But you know, upon some of your record, them you have a Stitchy sound still. I Stitchy have a Twitch sound. I don't know. I better do.
I don't know that. But
Oh, so I never know, so they mix up the go on in everything.
yeah, but me do 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Girl pitney, they go to work. You want they go to work, lad. They go to work. Pan the Steely and Clevey, them our slim thing with Frankie Paul. I can't believe that is real. Oh, The way that you make me feel. You remember that with them? 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock or 2. Girl pick me, they go to walk. They want it, and then now Shabba the pan. Shabba the jump around if your man can. I mean, I'm do this one and say, what your friend them, where you keep? What your friend them, for Steely and Clevie. Yeah.
Okay.
So with the 2 songs for Clevie and Steely.
Okay.
Yeah.
You say I think just now, someone pick up on that still. See, because you say you just that the music and not the business
We
of
never had the
music.
music business, brother.
So how are things republishing and royalties at this stage along the journey though?
It no look so good certain way, brother.
With Spanish Fly and Respect Due and Talking Twitch and For the Devil Send You Come and
It no look so good to me. I don't know. It no look so good, brother.
Twitching at the Dance
Wicked.
and
There's a whole heap of them there.
Kid Ralph and
Oh,
Lot
God.
of Fire and
Oh, God.
yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, also tell you like when some of the next old artists, them tell you. I see him story.
So is there anything we done to kind of rectify that? Because, so
Yeah.
what is gone is probably gone.
Gone,
but
yeah,
then,
yeah. Well, no, I'm here trying to organize it out of way. You know what I say, brother?
organize and centralize what?
Yeah, man, that's me have to do, brother.
Because we put in the work, if you heard from it.
You don't see the people them behind there, you must believe, brother.
And
But,
then you have youths and grand youths
yeah.
and the legacy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
So things are being put in place to treat
Yeah,
with that.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. Me I hear you know.
Yeah, them and I have to try it, brother. It's a long way to come, brother. When me say, them say, like, where me never pay no attention and lose already. Like, me go through a bag of things again. Cause it's so. Me not tell you like chaka piece the runs up by people. You know what I say? Cause me say me not one of them will come telling a lie and come tell about like say me was this big, bright, intelligent guy. When me never do. We do music because singing music. And then when you're singing music, we never know say the music gonna take we all. So we taking music for joke. If we do the music business, then no, me not capitalize for my thing, but we never do it. We just get some more of fame and name and then you sometimes get all blame and complain and all type of stuff and shame and all type of thing. You know what I say?
You're not too
straight.
late still.
No, because the rain fall anytime. Go and fall,
Anytime. Eventually you move to New York?
Yeah. Cause me not really move. Me move from. Me can't move anywhere. Me just stop at New York.
You just stop at New
York.
You stop at New York for a while.
Yeah, about 8 years now.
About 8 years now. Yeah?
But me,
Yeah, man, you know movements, man.
but sometimes, them treat around here to, you know, teach them.
Them treat around here.
Them treat us, the older set of people, them call the old dinosaur and all them things. So sometimes them not really cater for we, them just know say we them out. Them try move along with the tide, cause the music becomes a big hustling in the brother.
That's true.
So a man not have time for go sell old banana and them a look for some fresh banana for sell.
Yes.
Cause sometimes the old banana go know too much too. And them not the old banana catch up with the fresh banana them. But now with these fresh banana them know I suck out the whole of the energy from the old banana. I know everything when they do the old banana. So you have to, you see, that's why the thing moves so.
Yeah.
Cause the youth them learn off of our mistake. And know say the youngest man them never do the music business without the music. So them just learn to them have to come do music business. Cause some of them no bashing or nothing. The quality of songs where the man them never do the music for the hustling better than the one them where the
I'm
man
not bashing that. I fucks that,
Yeah.
brother. We don't need to pretty that.
Yeah, you see me I say?
Man want vex in vex. You
Yeah,
understand? But I
straight.
shoot that.
Yeah, cause remember you know, even the soccer game just go in there. The man them used to play the better ball and play upon the worst field. Them couldn't slide when them score a goal. Now some
Well,
man
that's
get
a-
no some man a slide. You see it's so I see it go.
Yeah. You rest of New York for your all the time. Eventually now, you went back to the beginning. You went back to King Sturgav.
All right, King Sturgav now happen like before we make the transaction to
New York.
To New York.
Oh.
Yeah.
When you go to New York?
We get me
Or when you stop in New York?
stop at New York 2015.
2015. Oh. And Sturgav was early 2000.
When we stop on New York Sturga stop.
Right, that me answer now.
2015 time, like when I left the sound, it still a play for a bit and then.
So when did you actually go back to Sturgav?
No, you see, 2015 when I get my piece of paper and something
Right.
like that, I still there come play Sturga and them.
Oh,
play
okay.
a couple dance when I have my thing.
Yeah. But you end up back around the sound though.
Round Sturga,
Yeah.
me never could have moved. Me always,
You always.
me always a Sturga. Sometimes, but sometimes the grass never, me have to go out and me have to go. As me say, me born with it in there, so, but me never make my name pan it, immediately pan it. You get me? I say, a Jaro, me use, and Jaro really elevate me to the world. You know what I say? Yeah, Jaro sound. Yeah.
And when you went back, who were the people there? Josie and Charlie was still there?
Yeah, Georgeville, Charlie Chaffin was still there.
You know, I think General Trees was there at that time as well.
Yeah, General Trees come in that time now. Cause story have about, you have a time when Rankin Joe and Jasco, then Josie and then Uri Park him some, and then him come out back, and then him come out back again, and see him Josie and Charlie, and you understand, and Inspector Willie, and so, and then him come out back again in a different style with Sid Ladine and still Charlie and George was still there that time, same way, up till that time. So
you went back home, man?
Yeah, I go on my yard. Yeah, and then now trees join us now about 28.
2008.
2008, 2009, then time the trees join me. Yeah.
Eventually you recorded, recently ish too, I think you recorded a tribute to Father Uri.
Yeah.
Teacher.
Yeah.
How is that song doing?
Well, it's independent. I do that song there.
Self-produced?
Self-produced with the teacher, self-produced the video and everything. And you know what I say? So you'll find, say, I first song that I produced.
Try off like that?
Yeah, for myself. So it no really, it did it.
But you get the promotion where
and then, but me I say, a teacher you and teacher you flesh can only go, but him now go dead, so the music can go live on, and someday, me feel like somebody will hear the song in some motion and get a recommendation, because you have to get honor somewhere. Yeah, all of we were toast in response to it. Yeah.
Introduce the people when you know a song to your song, man.
I say, no request to my late great godfather, Daddy Uri, gone but not forgotten. Daddy right, can't forget the thing you taught me from me was a boy. Daddy right, can't forget the thing you taught me was me from a boy. Me say, chica, boy, you used to wear me to the ball. Original founder for the dance hall. The other them come miss, the other them fall, him never partial. So we call him Gong, and that's why memories live on. Memories live on. Memories live on. Memories. Make we sing, say, memories live on. Memories live on. Memories live on. Memories. Oh, make we sing again. Daddy right. Can't forget the thing you taught me from me was a boy. Daddy right. Can't forget the things that when you taught me from a boy. You say, chica, boy, you used to wear them to the ball. Original founder for the dance hall. The other them come miss, the other them fall, you never partial. So we call you Gorgon, you know, yeah.
The tune available on the digital play stores?
Yeah,
Spotify,
Apple
everything,
Music,
everywhere.
Apple Music, everywhere.
Good.
Memories live on, you know. Tribute
And
to Daddy
you can
Uri.
say that for the rest of the songs, them?
Huh?
All of the songs them are available like that? The one them, well, because you don't have control over a lot of them songs.
One, me can't tell us me available for
Yeah.
Yeah, it sound a way like a joke, but a serious matter.
A serious matter,
man.
It would be good for you to, you know what I mean, sort out what you can sort out and get a whole of what you can get whole. And because, you know, stream people are stream music most of these days now. So if the things are there and you the thing will come to after that, you know, I think go make it happen, man. Make it happen. For the sound man, them out there and promoter, who don't know if you get in touch with them, man, how them find you?
Well, we have like a number,
Run it, man.
481 484 848 8894. That's how we do over New York.
Run it
or over
again.
Fabric.
Run it again.
1484 848 8894. And if they are Jamaica now, we have 876 595 3621.
Keep them phone close there.
Yeah, keep them phone close. And then now me dey on Instagram, Original Talking Twitch. Me dey on Facebook. With the, you can just Google Talking Twitch and you see me jump up there on the face now. All ours can't itch enough. We still have it.
One Boss featuring Lecturer.
Lecturer, every DJ in the business one boss. Some girl fight, some get contact. Boss, every DJ in the business one. Boss, every DJ in the business one. Business a go a long time that the right come first. From King Stitch down to Nicodemus. Them that the business never can conquer us. Them that the computer with him never enough. I used to Shankai shake and cuss. Nowadays the business get serious. As a DJ hold the mic, him one bus, him one buy him car and van. And film choker, listen for perpetuator. Me don't wrap up. When it come to my career, excellent. But every DJ in the business one. Boss, every DJ in the business.
Twitching at the dance.
Twitching at the dance, what a wicked hack. Hold microphone, what a wicked hack. Talk chat culture, what a wicked hack.
You do some other songs. Cause you did Kid Ralph, no Pie Love, or Pie Love the song name.
Yeah. Because we made dollars don't brown. Because we made dollars don't. You want come treat me like a pussy, you want come angle like dog. I want come. Pie Love, Striker Lee.
Bunny.
Bonnie Striker Lee sang that. Pie Love. And a bad song that, yeah, enough, don't do enough.
And the reason why I do this, because I think there is this notion out there that Twitch is Respect Duo, Devil Send You Come, and Spanish Fly. But the catalog deep and wide.
Lion Lag, I told them I look for catalog, that's why them find them look for the Lion Lag. Them
so
say,
we have make sure say we kind of do the thing for people know say the thing bigger than that and deeper than that.
Yeah.
You understand?
I know say original Joe Blanchard.
Joe Blanchard. Looking at the journey though, bro. Yeah, when you assess it, when you look at it, whilst the business side of the thing wasn't or isn't where it should be, is there anything that you look upon and give you a sense of joy, a sense of pride for no one say yes? You know, say it's a local youth from Cockburn Pen where you used to listen Sturgraph play, achieve that, have that deciding name.
Yeah, joy me have right now for no say I'm still there right now, can really do that, and that are the greatest joy.
And the voice still powerful,
and
bro.
Still powerful,
Timing still
brother,
spot on.
And then now that's why you say it's never too late for a shower or rain, brother. So that's why I say my little son and my daughter and everything say I don't want, not going, cause me with the son, brother, I'm not going to tell you say I want to miss a perfect, brother. I want to miss a perfect, with Bobo Youth with the Ancat, I want to miss a perfect, brother. So I have my faults and all my things as everybody else too, brother. So when I try to, if me go through my time, I'm going to do my thing, I'm going to do what I do, and job keep me here and bless me. I'll try to walk the right way and do the right thing, you know what I say?
Makes sense.
Yeah, you see me I say, so cause you can't just come and blame people for everything. If you not blame, if you not clean out yourself and check where you did do wrong and own up to where you do wrong, brother. Because we not blame people, brother.
Accept.
You accept what happened, because we have to accept the fact that we never do the music business. So if somebody find out to me now that the music business and me have a talent and him can, they can capitalize on your downfall, they're going to do that because people don't, you know what I'm saying? So, I just that some of those pray, try to keep myself up to date, and I beg the Father every time to give me a sound, a one word where the people them kind of grasp on, you know what I'm saying?
Can resonate with
You
the
can
people.
resonate everything and then, you know what I'm saying? So it's like me just feel joyful within the realms of music, see me, in spite of what happened, brother.
Yes.
'Cause at the end of the day, only the music alone can live. But when you do your work, cause sometimes I know me I go enjoy the street. Me I like if me in there my
youths, them and
generation
grandchildren,
enjoy.
like.
You see me I say that. So
As
I
it
does
should
that.
be.
Yeah, so I does that.
Yeah. Musically speaking though, what else the man want to add to the legacy?
Well, I have a couple tunes and now still different when I work on, you know, brother, different right you know. Because I have a brother, a youth named Scepter. Him do one in America there. Him do a song there with Michael Rose named This World. And him do a song when named Disinformation.
Oh, okay.
And I say, you saw them set the system on ya. And poor people, them a pressure. No give up, just hold the order. Remember time of the master. Look what them teaching to the children. We little sons are with daughter say no truth, now sell or buy. I this information them a sell and to I. And I tell me say no believe when me see with me eye. This information them a sell and to why. You know see cost of living how them set that high. This information them a sell and to why. And they want them not the jacket or they want them not the tie. This information them a sell and to why. And sector say ease up off the pressure, Mr. Pressure Man. This information you are use a mash up Jaja plan. You know man, spreading the seed of confusion. It's same one cause contention. What a genocide in a Gideon. Straight wickedness the whole of them a function. Yes. You saw them set the system on, yeah.
Song release already?
No,
finalized.
Yeah, and no, him send me out, kind of, and him send me out and said, Twitch, go for it and go down to Jamaica and do what you got to do and just come back.
Yeah.
Let us do this video. So
Disinformation.
Disinformation. Can I tag one?
It's been going on.
Yeah, but it get more prevalent. Boy, yo.
I made mention of one bus with Lecturer. I think you have a few songs with Anthony Malvo. Or I just background vocals Malvo up and tune them.
No, me and Malvo do over.
Okay.
For both Fatile, the same devil saying you come and the job. Yeah.
Who else you have collaborations with another thing?
Me have wanted Anthony B.
Yes, Mr. That's someone for sure.
Me have wanted me and Shabba and Jack Thomas. Me have wanted the same look youth, Mr. Easy.
Mr. Easy, yeah, Mr. That's someone
me have wanted Gregory Isaac.
Oh, I don't know about that one.
Gimme, come on. Gimme. You got me want it. Yeah.
What the title of the song?
Gimme.
Gimme, man. Go look for.
I may have one name. I have wanted Sugar Miner.
Oh, yeah?
With Sugar Miner, with name. Tell me who's playing those funky songs on the radio. I mean, tell me what am I playing? No what is funk? Yeah, I want to name funk. I may have one name with I suppose have with Dennis Brown and Brian and Todd. Bad mind people always found the way to make it harder, but we getting wiser every day. We have that. We can't stay, yeah. We have to run from ya. Too much hypocrite, they on the corner. Mikey Bennett. Production, yeah, film production. That.
I'm going to ask a question to ask you this though. Who you not collaborate with, you don't mind going to the studio? Go do some work with one of them time?
Right now?
Anytime.
A couple artists out there.
What do you name them, man? Word sound is poor, you know, brother.
Yeah, man, I collaborated all Shaggy, them, man.
Shaggy.
Yeah. And, yeah, Shaggy, Bounty Killer. Yeah.
Word sound a poor, man.
Yeah,
put it out there.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Cause you see, like, the new generation, though, I love all of them, you know, brother. You see me, I say, but, like Shaggy, them, man, Sean Paul, them, and them youth there. See him, Cabra, and them, and them, yeah, any one of them, by the way,
I mean, if Sean Paul say, I love respect you, then you can remix
yeah,
it.
Busy Signal, all them, they walk up to see him, yeah.
You know how things set up, man.
Yeah, man.
You know how things set up.
But at them for walking up to we, because we walking up to them. Yeah.
Assessing the journey, though, when you look back at it, is there anything where you then do differently or approach differently if you get the chance to do it back?
Quite a whole heap of thing, brother.
Yeah.
The first thing, I do the business. From the business.
That's why it's called music business, you hear, sir?
Yeah.
So you then fix them things from early on?
From early out.
How many youths?
3.
Okay.
1 boy and 2 girls.
Everybody are big people.
So one of them a video with it.
Oh, that guy soldier.
And me have a daughter, the first, you tell me, Clarendon.
Oh, don't a line down there.
And we have a next one now, the one where we kind of there with On
New York.
yeah.
Okay, I see the pre.
But me have get one now, $4,000.
Yeah, go on, man.
Yeah, my son give me one, and my daughter, and then now, my grandson called me I'm there in New York and said, grandfather, you becomes a fox, they even bother try to get no more girl impregnate. Because I have an next one coming for you, so I have a great grand up on the way, I born this one.
Congrats, man. It's a joy when you
That's
can see the generation.
That's why
them-
I should have set up the business that them could have done.
Which is true, but as we say, the work has been done enough, so there are ways and means. You understand?
Yeah, man.
But the man still love the music.
Can't, I don't love nothing else that I'm part of my life, brother. I don't know nothing else, no father.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't know.
And there's nothing else that you would do outside of music to feed the family if it was the music.
Survival is the key. You get what I say?
That's the way I say, man.
Survival is the key, brother. I'm not going to say me have to survive. But my first choice is going to be the music. Yeah. And that's going to be my final choice also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Performing wise, where are some of the places that you have gone to work though?
Far as it take me so far of France.
France.
Yeah.
Cool.
We never go to none of the continent in Africa. I never go. I go Barbados. I never go Trinidad. I never go to them places yet. Never go.
Some of them things they need to change, man. God, the body of work is there.
But sometimes, as me say, it look like a outer sight, outer mind. That's why I say I have to come find it for them.
That's how it change, man.
That's why I have to find it so long. Me talk on the phone and I tell the teacher,
Everything
I fly
time,
come on your foot, you know.
Everything
Because
take time.
I want the people them still know, say, me there, and me not gone when I like say, because we could dance all Thursday. When I read somebody comment and me a man say, John, no, my chicks in the brother, me not dead, brother. It's a me not dead, but we just we just the lower, you do it on a lower profile, but we find say we have to still make you know where they are, because we have the flavor, you see me I say? Yeah.
For yourself, man. I set the things set now, man.
Yeah,
You know
man.
the thing,
Yeah,
people
man,
never
thing.
know say there, but
Them know, them for know, man. Glory! I'm a granny grow with them can't overthrow it, so them know where they are teach them.
it's all right.
Mm.
Big up yourself, you know.
Big up yourself,
We
Mr.
appreciate
Teach
the reason.
You
And
know why
we
you
hope when we
appreciate-
talk, appreciate of the reason.
All right,
Yeah,
all
man.
right.
I want the reason again, I hope you can tell me, say, you know, some of the things I sort out and some things I move forward.
It's a very important, man. I'm supposed to talk to you when time the camera say take 5.
Yeah, man. So just go and do the work. And we appreciate the man contribution to the music, brother.
Yeah,
You
man.
understand? A man will do a whole heap of work about you. And make a name for himself, bro. But a man where him name probably not come up as readily as it should. So I hope I
I
interview
call
like this
myself
can
the
help fix that.
unsung hero because that and I like say me not been there and me keep pace with everybody.
Everybody. Now some introduce them, man.
Them big
Yeah, man. I show you that, man.
Yeah, you know. So that's why me always have that strong belief. They say you couldn't do some more thing, man. Yeah, just because you never do the music business. You know, forget it. So we just hope for the best, you know, that.
Big Twitch.
Mm.
Hey, man, that's a look no more.
No.
Big up yourself here, sir.
Why you call me Little Seaman for you
Little
can't
Seaman.
call John, you can't. Little John, them
Big
can't
John,
call.
that's what they call him, you know. That's what we call him, you know.
I mean, I say big up. So we can big up
Do
two
your
brothers.
thing, man.
I say big up my little brother named Papi, straight. Big up Nar, next brother. I say big up the whole of movie star barber shop. I say big up the whole of Rosedale. I say big up Dave. I say big up Scepter. I say big up Herald. I say big up Art the tire shop, man. I say big up the whole of New York. I say most of all, big up each and every one in Jamaica where we motivate I over the years and we still love I and I say big up to each and every one. You know what I say? So and just continue following I and I. Because me there, as me say, the birds you know right pan it something say check some me not there, I'm still there. So and then
Big up us. It's a joy. Yes, sir. We appreciate this.
Yes, sir.
And the man's contribution to the thing, we appreciate
Yeah,
that.
man.
Because as I say, a man like you, why me can't do what me I do.
No, but
You
you
know,
want to
things
you
set up.
know.
Yeah.
You did this somewhere where you try, you come resurrect back all things.
But let's do some work. Man.
Yeah, but the works that you do, I appreciate love what you're doing because you bring everything to the forefront. And you also you're a reality speak, you know, hold back it all the truth.
That's how I think of the truth. I'll watch you set us free. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, man.
So more life, more blessing to each and every one. Respect.